Hey guys, here we are on the 2025 Scout 330 LXF. I'm Pete Soma over at MarineMax Brick. Let's take a quick look. On our transom, we have the newly designed 400 V10 Mercs in black. One of my favorite features on these, like all the other redesigned Mercs, is the easy access to my oil fill and my dipstick. And again, getting my cowling on and off, super easy. Across the transom here, we do have all of our rod holders. Working our way port, we obviously have our live well. A couple goodies in there from Scout right now. Making our way in, nice step down into the cockpit. Aft, we have our foldable seat right here. This is the cayenne color interior. Again, just like Scout is very known for, giving you plenty of room back here for fish. On our port side again, we have our dive door. Tucked away nicely is going to be that ladder, again, giving you great access on and off the boat, or pulling that a nice catch into the day. Rocket launchers across the back. One thing you'll notice too is this boat does have the Midnight Edition. All of this is going to be black, flowing up through to the helm there. Really accents the hull color very nice as well, which again is a full black hull color. Right, making our way forward. Triple wide seat here on these bolsters, again giving us great visibility out through this full windshield right here. Obviously have our throttles right here, our Mercury joystick, our zip weight control, nicely appointed Mercury vessel view link right there, and two 12-inch garments. This boat does have Seakeeper. Again, great option when it's maybe a little bit rough out there on the water. We do have air conditioning vents here at the helm and down below, which we're going to go check out right now. Again, plenty of space down here. We have the blue LED lights going right now, kind of give it that nice night ambiance. There is a filler cushion in place right now. If we do pull that up, kind of turns it into seating for probably about 4. And our head compartment down there as well with sink. All right, going forward, probably one of my favorite seats right here. Again, seating for 2. We got cup holders right there, very nicely appointed. Storage underneath. It's going to host this beautiful teak table here, which will go up there in the front. Mirrored storage on both sides there. We do have another radio control up there in the front. Awesome U-shaped seating up here, plenty of space. And then finally, access to our windlass controls with foot pedals. And Scout gives you a nice little wash down right there as well if your anchor's a little bit dirty. All right, guys, again, this is the 2025 Scout 330 LXF here at MarineMax Brick. I'm Pete Soma. I'll see you on the water.